This is another product I'm gonna show it to you today. Diffuser, our own patent diffuser. And it is not only a diffuser, but also a wireless charger.
We invented these products in order to improve customers' living quality and convenience. If you are interested in this product, feel free to contact us. Let me show you our products. It is such a good idea for this wireless charging aroma diffuser. 2 functions in one product. At the beginning of our product development, we wanted a product that was both cute and also helpful. For example, one function of wireless charge has quick charge function with the aroma diffuser, a private note box, a cute house. It is a really good bargain to enjoy both functions in one product. Let me show you how to use the products. 1. Take out the bottom shell. There are 4 buckles fixed on both sides of the bottom shell. Infuse it with purified water. 2. Use fast charge adapter to link the product. The blue light will be on. 3. Wireless charging will directly charge the mobile phone. 4. Press the switch. The aroma diffuser will be started. 5. Hold down switch button for 3 seconds to turn off the aroma diffuser's power. Suntrap is an honest manufacturer in Shenzhen. We can develop OEM and ODM customized service. Every year, Suntrap develops products of brand new styles, which may be USB shell or other smart and useful products. Suntrap dedicate themselves to develop intelligent products so that customer can have more choice. In 2021, we has developed the intelligent sensor sprayer. In 2022, we has developed wireless charging aroma diffuser multifunctional products. In 2023, we will develop fast and nice quality wireless charger.